Today's recipe is celebrating rhubarb season, and I thought I would show you something a little bit different than your classic stewed rhubarb and desserts. So I'm using it in a savory salsa, replacing the classic tomato with stewed rhubarb to still give that sweet tanginess that tomato usually would, but with a more seasonal twist and a nice different flavor. So start off by stewing the rhubarb, and this is as you would normally for desserts, but less sugar and some salt. And so just going to roast it in the oven so that the rhubarb keeps its shape. Then I'm burning a spring onion on an open flame and leaving it to cool down. You can also do this in the oven. Just do it until the whole outer skin is burnt. And then you remove that outer skin and the inside is tender and slightly smoky. And so it's going to bring us some nice smoky notes to the salsa. Slice that up into rough chunks, and then I've got a jalapeno or green pepper, which the flavor is going to pair really nicely with the rhubarb. I'm just going to slice that up into tiny dice, so removing the seeds, slice it into julienne, and then slice it across into very small little cubes, or you could just roughly chop this with your knife back and forth just to make it that little bit quicker and easier. And then bring it all together. So we've got our roasted rhubarb, adding the spring onion, jalapeno, a nice squeeze of lime, stirring that through, and that's it. Then just serve it up with some tortilla chips and a nice refreshing drink. It is quite tart and spicy and just really refreshing and works really well as a spring aperitif. Hope you like this recipe. Make sure to subscribe for more, and bon appétit!